We are absolutely delighted to welcome you all to Mosaic Arts Online, featuring our talented and expert instructors, Alex Piffer and Solange Piffer. Right now, we are going to explain in detail exactly what we are offering in this online course. We are currently presenting this delightful dog sculpture, this particular canine figure, which has been meticulously crafted using the intricate Picassiette Mosaic technique, and we will be explaining the entire process to you, breaking it down piece by piece. Exactly how it is all done, how to properly position all of the pieces, how to carefully choose each individual piece, the specific materials that we use, and the various tools that we use, going step by step from the very start to the final finish, from choosing the material to selecting the base, to the project design, and the drawing from a photo of your pet. So we are currently offering you a comprehensive step-by-step instructional guide. Additionally, we have here another specific piece that was actually completed by one of our students during our recent stay here in Mexico, and we have brought it along today as a clear, illustrative example of how to represent different types of animals. Specifically one that displays more defined muscular features and another one that features much looser flowing fur. All of this will help you gain a much deeper understanding of how we create beautiful Picassiette mosaics using recycled dishware, and you will be able to craft a lovely portrait of your pet through this online course, with our help provided entirely online.
Hi, I am Tommy McCalla, representing Mosaic Arts Online, and I am joined here today by both Alex and Solange Piffer. We are so excited to have their pet portrait of dogs online course here at Mosaic Arts Online. It is so incredible that we have them all the way from Sao Paulo, Brazil, to teach you, our community, how to create these types of portraits. It's very specific, it's very special, and Alex and Solange have done an incredible job to share their techniques of how they make this type of portrait. So I can't wait to see everyone that's going to learn from it and what you'll create.